Hi everyone, it's Vlad here. So that is the second part of the video. Um, Today we're going to add to this family door handle and the lines of opening. So we would be working on it. For example, for now we are having just the regular door. If we go to the view, we would have something like this. Just the shape of the door that can change the width and the height. So we need a handle. We actually can model the handle in this family, but I wouldn't recommend it actually. For this handle we need something that wouldn't move. For example, if we make a box, it would change its size because it would align for something. Better to be just to create a family, just create new family and make it for example metric generic model. It would be alright. So we can start from the plan, but I would recommend to actually some from the elevation, because in this case if we start to create for example extrusion and create a circle like this and for 50 and make it like 25 in width, in depth, and okay, you actually would place this door handle like on the door, so the door itself is vertical, so you would definitely need it to be on the vertical condition. So we would have for now this handle, this circle thing, and next step is to be is just to create the sweep. The sweep, like in the previous video, we can actually just create a path, something simple like this, and with this instrument we actually make we can actually make these two lines look like this, so it would be just better looking for me. It is arch of 30, it's more or less okay. With this one okay too, and we edit the profile. For this thing we go to the back and make it circular like 15. It would be more or less okay and okay. And for now, if we go to the 3D view, we can actually see that it's more or less fine. Actually, we wouldn't need to add some more parameters to this family, just this thing, it wouldn't need to change in some way, so it would be like it. And we actually need to name it, because for now family called family 2. When you start new family, you would also end up with this name. For renaming it, we need to save it as like family and save it on the desktop like handle and okay, and load it up to the door itself and okay. So we would have something like this. We will place it and align it with this tool to the door, so it would be stick up, and you can mirror it with this instrument on the other side and actually align it again. Just maybe move firstly and then align, so it would, and lock up, so they would move. Let's go to 3D. On the 3D, as you can see, there is two door handles. They have their own parameters of the height. So actually you can, and it is in here. You would need to modify this parameter from time to time, but in this case we have door that opens in this way, and the door, I would suppose we can make it half of the size of this, half of the height of this door. So for example, for this one we can mirror it, and from the internal side the same, we can mirror it, so it would look in the needed way of ours. We can delete this one, and if we go to this 3D, we can see these two handles. We have a parameter of the elevation of this thing, so we can modify that. So we wouldn't need to create a dimension and so on. We can actually make parameter in it. I previously make this parameter. It called handle, I suppose. Handle vertical offset. How it works? When you create a parameter, you can actually name it as you like. I name it handle vertical offset, and we actually use as a formula height divided by 2, and it would be always on the center of the door. So actually, if we select this thing and place this formula handle vertical offset, it would be always on the center. If we, for example, for now change the height like to 2 and 10, so the handle itself would be replaced, and we would need to place the parameter for the offset from this side. So for example, we create this dimension and stick it up to this, and I actually make it parameter previously door handle height horizontal offset, and it would be 1 and 2, and make the same for the other side. For example, we have this the same parameter, and it would be adjustable for now. And if we, for example, for now try to work with widths and make it 150, it would look something like this. They would move accordingly. If you would need, you can actually make it different. As you can see, it changes all these parameters, but it would look better for 120. Okay, we're done with the handle, but we need to add length of the openings. So for now, if we look on the plan, we can create it by create tab and model line. We actually need 2 lines, just arc and this line, so it would look something like this. It would open in this side. So make one like this and arch one from this side, and you can add them, and that would be okay. Actually, if you don't want to make them more detailed one, you can actually leave it like that. If we change the width, the things would change accordingly. But if you want to add more details like angle of the thing, and if you want to make it more appealing, you can actually can make it, but you would actually need to align for this reference plane and align the dot of this particular line. So you lock it up, and you lock it up this dot. And with the arch, there is a catch. Actually, no, exactly, there is a catch. There is exactly would be a catch. And when you create an arch, you can actually make this dot in here. For now, it just not transparent one, but we can make with this button. We can make it so it would look like this. We actually align it the same way we align the dot. So we check it out and like this. And for the vertical one, the same. And it's okay. And now we actually can make the parameter and make it like this. And actually I created it previously and name it angle. So for example, for now we actually can make 45 angle and the angle you want actually. So it would work. Yeah, some places would be adjusted, but it is working, so that's exactly what we need. Actually you can actually play with it as you want. We can actually load it up into the project, and as you can see, it is looking like this. You can see these lines on this 3D. You can actually modify all the elements like this 45, door handle like 100, as you wish all the time. We can actually play with the height 2 and 150. It's actually get pretty messed up. I actually know what the problem is. Actually, with this line we need to create the dimension and actually place the width parameter the same. So we load it up again. It would change normally. So if we place 1/5, yeah, it would change, because we need, if you want really a nice family, you actually need to sometimes correct this minute details. But in the end we have a perfectly working family that is parametric, that is would be working, and you can use it in all sort of project. And actually from this family you can manage another one with the windows, with another handles, and actually what you want, just it's the basic one, and you can modify them as you wish. Yeah, that's mostly the end of this video. Mostly that's all you would need to create Revit door families. You actually could make them more detailed and more agile. If you want me to do some of this video, you can contact me and I can teach you on how to do it, or make you a family if you need, depending on your need. For now it is done. Thank you for watching this video. If anything, I would be in touch. You can contact me in the comments actually, or write me on email. I would leave an email under this video, and see you later. If you want something special for you, I am open for new videos ideas. So if you want, I would be on place. And thank you for watching. Good luck.